Belmond Hotel das Cataratas, which is in Iguazú Falls. This is on the Brazilian side, and we are staying at the Master Cataratas Suite. Let's take a look. This is the entrance foyer. As you walk in, this is the dining area. And here's a little sink area, and there's a mini bar in here, and a secondary bathroom, which is right here. So this is the living area. Little workspace. And as we move on, to the left is the main bathroom, the shower, his or her sink in the vanity area, a tub, and a place for the rollerboards, a safe and some hangers, and some drawers down below. So this is the bathroom. And then we move on to the bedroom. Bed. And there's a expansive balcony which has a nice little bonus in this room, in that it faces Iguazú Falls. Really nice. So that's the Cataratas Suite, Belmond Hotel das Cataratas in Iguazú Falls. In Brazilian Portuguese, it's called Foz do Iguaçu. In any case, it's in a prime area and a very nice suite.